what Michael and Gary are doing here is going through the first set of application of the Awlwood product. Saw Gary a couple days ago stain, seal. It's actually a sealer primer, which is the first part of Awlwood. And Michael and he began applying the build coats. And first 6 coats are done by brush. And then we'll be sanding, scuffing, and bring it in the spray booth for the spray applications. And just another part, making it Metan.